Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your LinkedIn profile invisible or private. Now, to get you started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open LinkedIn on your device. Now, sign in to your account. Now, on LinkedIn, click on the Me button. You'll find this beside the notifications button. Under this, click on Settings and Privacy. Now, this will redirect you to the settings page. In here, click on the visibility section. Under this, click on Edit Your Public Profile. On the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find Edit Visibility. So in here, you can disable your profile's public visibility. Now, once you disable this, your profile will be invisible and private on LinkedIn. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos. I'll see you in the next video.